guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am bringing to you guys a hair tutorial. I'll be showing you guys how I did these lovely twists, and if you are interested in this video you might want to continue watching. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so guys, these beautiful voluptuous twists, I did these and I love them. They are really light. I use approximately 7 packs of hair. Yes, I use three soft REGGAE braids, which comes with about 2 bundles, and I use about 3 packs of Bohemian LULUTRESS Bohemian hair and 1.5 packs of WATERWAVE. I prefer to use LULUTRESS brand for like waves and curls because I feel like they have a more kinky texture, and I prefer that over the FreeTress brand. That is just my opinion. It took me about 6 hours or 7 hours to do it because I stopped, I watched movies, I did a couple things around the house, I was eating, and also I actually originally I had bought 3 LULUTRESS hair, but I needed more, so I had to run and grab another pack. But these are lovely. I'm actually gonna use these 2 here together. I couldn't decide whether I wanted to do Marley twist or passion twist. I'm actually going to try these out together and see what I get from them. Yeah. So I'm going to use the Shine and Jam for the end of my hair. I did not stretch or blow dry or straighten my hair at all. So it's going to be you know when you do your hair and it come out good? So excited that it actually looks decent. Like, guys, I'm proud of myself. I used 2 of these pieces, 2 of these. So I push 2 pieces of hair through first. So I don't then this, let me add some to my hair. 2 sections. You want to make it as tight as possible. 7 braids and I ran out of hair. So I actually used a couple pieces of WATERWAVE that I had left over from a previous hairstyle, and that still was not enough. So I finally got the hair and I am about to show you guys the front. Right hand goes over first. So I've been literally sitting here all day. And I stopped and I ate and I was watching movies till I realized that the hair was about to run out. So I try to make sure it's even Stevens. Never tried twist before because I cannot grip to save my life, so I tried to find a different way. Of course, I tried the crochet method, the braids, and I really love how they turned out. They are really lightweight, they are amazing. I really do love the Empress vibes. I really like how they look. I really do hope it was very informative. Feel free to ask me any questions if you actually tried out. Feel free to let me know how it worked out for you, and yeah, let me know how it worked out for you. One thing I did realize though, it does unravel a little bit going up, but right, like for example this one, it does unravel a little bit, so you might want to knot it right there. Yes, so you might want to give it a little knot so it doesn't unravel, seeing that it's two different texture here. And also guys, I actually do not know what to call it. I feel like I can give it like a nice little name. I don't know yet. Should I name it Marley Passion or Passion Marley or Fusion Twist? I do not know, because it's definitely not Passion Twist and it's definitely not, or maybe Goddess Marley Twist. You'll find out in the title for sure. But yeah, they're really light, like, but yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video.